In this lecture, we will see emboss milling, and for emboss milling, first I am going to define a tool, and I'm using a anvil. So select mill, okay, and 6 is the dia, and flute length 30, and total length I'm using 55, okay, and click OK. So a tool I have defined. Now I'm going to this create operation, and this time my operation is boss milling. So we can use helical or spiral or circular machining pattern to cut any boss. Okay, it is just like this hole milling. We use this hole milling for pocket, and we use this for emboss boss milling for emboss circular cylindrical boss. A tool is milling. This mill workpiece is my working geometry is this, and method, keep this method. And see, by default here it is helical, so in helical pattern it is going to be cut. So first specify the feature geometry. This option is also based on the feature. So first I'm selecting a cylindrical boss. So this is a cylindrical face. Here I can define stock for bottom and the side. If it is not the finishing operation, you are using any finishing operation, so that time you can apply the stock. Okay, so 20 is the dia, 10 is the height, and just click OK. So pattern is helical spiral and circular. We have this four options. And axial is this direction, which is in z direction, that is axial. And radial is in radial direction, this is radial direction. So let's see the toolpath, then we will make some changes. Okay, it is a helical cut, so just verify and plane. I'm going to replay in 2D. Okay, click OK. And my next option is spiral. I'm using this spiral. Now generate this toolpath. See, this spiral path is created only at the bottom, and now in exit direction I want as 4 passes. 1 2 3 4, 4 patches are there. And I can use this axial step over with constant 50% of tool diameter. Just generate. Now it may be or in decrease, it depend upon the step over. And I'm going to change this to 20 and generate it again. Okay, and exact if you want to apply the distance and percentage of flute length, and we have same other options, okay, we can use. But this passes is more convenient if you want to use. And in radial direction it is 50%. Just see this 4, and this radial step over is 50%. I'm changing this to 10 and generate. I think I think there is no stock, that's why it is not creating. So no problem, we will see this in hole milling. Spiral, helical, or select this helical, generate. And one more is there, circular. Okay, now it is circular. We cannot see so much difference here because spiral and circular are working same, because the stock is not that much, and that's why both are looking same. And see the preview. Okay, in 3D dynamic, let's see. Okay, because of material is not there.